National Weather Service in Newport has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Pitt County in eastern North Carolina, southwestern Martin County in eastern North Carolina, northwestern Beaufort County in eastern North Carolina, until 9 p.m. At 8:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over East Carolina University, or over Greenville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Martin County, northwestern Beaufort County, until 9 p.m. At 8:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over East Carolina University, or over Greenville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Greenville, Winterville, Williamston, Stokes, Robertsonville, House, East Carolina University, Pitt Greenville Airport, Downey-Fickman Stadium, Gold Point, Everett, and Birdgrass. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Life-threatening flash flooding is also occurring or is imminent. Avoid taking shelter in flooded or flood-prone areas. If indoors, move to an interior room on the lowest dry floor. If in a car, seek shelter in a sturdy building away from the flooding. Please send your reports of wind and slash or hail damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Newport at 1-800-889-6889. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties: in North Carolina, Martin and Pitt,